Alright, here we go. Rolling sound, quiet.
Oh my god.
I actually.
Your arms in. Get your arms. Let me get right now. Let me. It's not in the shot. Table in the shot. It's good. Alright. Alright, take one.
Okay.
Go. Go.
Paul, I mean.
Opening, take two.
Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to. Cut.
It's not even on there anymore. Opener, take three.
Woo! Oh, hey YouTube crew, it's your Empress here, and welcome back to my empire. Today's episode is another unboxing. I have been in pursuit of trying to bring more content and help you guys along with your purchases and your decision making when you decide that you need to shop. I know that there's a lot going on with COVID and all these different things. However, this purchase was actually in the works for many years. Lots of saving, lots of decision making to finally come to terms with making this purchase. So about a year ago, or pushing a year, I actually did a fitness course online to become a fitness instructor for a rebounder. And I passed and I achieved that goal. And so I've really been wanting to treat myself for this accomplishment. And I wanted to treat myself with an Apple product that I've been wanting for a very long time. So I decided to go with the MacBook Air, and I'm so excited to share with all of you. So we're gonna unbox this bad girl on today. And so I actually talked to an Apple technician who is a dear friend of mine. We have known each other for quite a bit. We've done different events and stuff in the modeling industry because her kids are really heavy in the industry. And so I called her and got expert advice from her. We crunched the numbers, we looked at the best possible price, and she actually told me to go to Best Buy. And that's when you know you have a good person, when she could have easily told me to go with Apple, but she felt like Best Buy was the best place to go. And I went with a MacBook Air, and I'm not really good with these numbers, but it's an 8 gigabyte by 256 gig memory. So hopefully it's gonna be great for what I need it for, because you know that I have been back and forth on my YouTube videos trying to get a groove, and I keep saying I'm gonna do better, and I want to do better. So actually there's a little tab that you can open it. You don't even have to use a box cutter, but anyways, so either or. So this is it. Wow, you guys, I've wanted an Apple product, a computer, for a very long time. I have an iPad that I've given off to my son. He just robbed me of it for school. I do have an Apple phone, an Apple Watch, but finally, you guys, a computer. I got the gold. I went with the gold. I think that it's going to be gorgeous when we get into it. I think we want to kind of zoom in and get in a little bit closer. So we're going to take it a little bit closer. Okay, crew, so here we are. This is the MacBook Air in gold. This is the box that it comes in. Of course, since we are in quarantine, I had to order this on bestbuy.com and then submit my payment and go through curbside drive-through to pick it up, and they had it ready. They actually gave me somebody else's, and I had to tell them because they didn't read the name, but I guess this little flap is to start the opening for you, and then you just get the clear saran wrap covering off. Wow. This is not sponsored. This is my hard-earned cash. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. Now I'm thinking that I need a cover for her. She's beautiful, guys. Look at this. So of course it's wrapped really nicely. you know how they do. You know how they do with their products. I usually keep every box to any Apple product I've ever owned. And so this is what it looks like, okay, with, of course, the logo. In here, you've got some cords and cables. And I guess this is the charging station. I don't know if these are considered USB ports. I'm still learning. So let's open her up. Whoa. And I think one of the sell points that the Apple Tech gave me was that this actually comes with your thumbprint. So you can use your thumbprint to get in. So I thought that was really unique. I have not gotten Apple Care on this, so I have 2 months, but this thing has set up for almost 3 weeks.
English as the main language. Press the return key.
So I've got to decide if I'm going to get Apple Care, but I have at least 4 more weeks to decide. Please let me know in the comments below if I should get Apple Care and if it's worth me getting the Apple Care. But this is her. This is her in gold. She looks really rosy gold to me, which I'm excited about because I love rose gold. But she's beautiful, and I hope that we can really build a lasting relationship to come.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
All right, so right now she's doing a lot of talking to me, and I'm gonna get off camera and work on getting her set up. But I definitely wanted to do this unboxing with you guys so that you could see what it was like, and we could do it together for the first time, me having my first ever Apple computer. I thank you so much for sticking it out with me and rocking with me always. And until next time, peace, abundance, blessings. Bye.
Right, take one.
So I've been wanting a MacBook or MacBook Pro for a very, very long time. And I found the opportunity to get the MacBook Air at a good price, even cheaper than at the Apple Store itself. So we're going to open this together and you're going to celebrate with me. An Apple, not an app, but an Apple, what do you call them? What are their?
Technician.
Yeah, Apple Technician.
Oh, I'm just gonna stop.
Yeah, let's start over.